Miga love shout out mga kamalits. Magandang morning. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Sa aking mga palangging at sa aking mga palanglong, sa aking mga bro at sa aking mga sisi, sa lahat ng team. Sa team Tigang, team Banana, team Pelco supporters, sa aking team Solid YouTuber family, and sa Liavori Music Foundation. Migrab shout out headed by Vince and Arts Lopez, and with the participation of Palanglong Ray and Palanging Janice, and sa aking dalawang palangging Leia Vlogs and Rima TV, sa aking palangging sa team Banana namin, sa aking palangging Jingo, Migrab Shouty, sa aking Pinas TV Vlog na sa Pulan Kadang, I miss you Dang, sa aking lahat ng mga palangging, sa aking lahat ng mga palangging, Migrab Shouty. Di ko na kayo isa-isahin guys, nasa ang aming solid yun, Team Banana, kahit hindi naman kami lahat active sa ngayon, pero nandito pa rin ang inahan nyo guys. Ang inyong mamita, andito pa rin sa puso. Sa puso ko mga palangging, andito pa rin kayo. Si Bro Raul, may love shouty bro, at saka si Bro Katribo, may love shouty. Yung mga hindi ko na mention guys, hindi ko na maisa-isa. May love shouty. Anyway guys, for today's video, I wanna greet one of my palangging sa Liavori Music Foundation. Palangging Janice, may love shout out palangging, happy birthday. Hindi ko nahabaan ging. I don't want to say a lot of words because a lot of words, a lot of mistakes. I just want to say thank you so much for knowing you in this whitey world, and thank you so much sa always support kahit yung inahan nyo. Minsan lang man makadalaw. Tamad na kasi itong inahan nyo sa whitey. Andito na naman nagsipag-sipagan sa popo. Pero alam ko nandyan kayo kahit sa popo, kahit sa whitey, sinusundan niyo ako. I love you so much. Salamat and wishing you all the best. Wish you na lagi lang kayo masaya with Ray. Keep your companion as wife and husband together with strong hold with your love, and keep your happiness. Keep sharing together happiness and sadness. I love you always, and take good care. May the Lord will bless you more and more and more. And andito lang ang inahan nyo. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat guys. Liavori Team Foundation, good luck sa lahat ng mga singers sa Liavori. Guys, na-amaze talaga ako sa mga boses nyo, nakukainggit. Ang inahan nyo, hindi pwede dyan. Paus na nga isang kanta pa lang. Thank you so much guys. Anyway, gang, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Bye! Dumi ng kuko ko.
Hi Sis Janice, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang ngayong karawan mo, sana masaya ka at lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay ay iyong makamtan, and good health and more blessings to come. Sis Janice, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta ninyo ni Kapatid Batas, at kahit hindi man ako nakakasupport sa inyo, pero andyan lang naman ako, alam nyo naman sa trabaho. And once again, Sis Janice, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless. Bye bye.
Happy birthday si Janice. So, wish you all the best and good health and more birthday to come and more blessed to come, and kung anong wish mo, hindi nang wish ko. Enjoy your birthday. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng support nyo sa live ko ni Boss. Thank you. Shout out sa'yo, Boss. Salamat sa lahat ng binibigyan ng support, diba? Tik nang maging ano. At shout out sa lahat ng team na sumusupport sa lahat ng live namin. Shout out sa inyong lahat and thank you so much. Diba? Bye-bye guys. Bye. Hindi may pakulot-kulot pa dyan ng lola niyo. Pak.
Happy birthday, Insan Janice. Maraming salamat. At isa pa rin akong pinili mo upang bumati sa iyong kaarawan kasi napakatagal nang hindi ako nagwa-YT, pero andyan pa rin ako sa puso nyo. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal nyo sa akin. And once again, happy birthday. Love you, Insan ko. Mabuhay!
Hello everyone. Once again, I'm back here with you. Ayan. I'm so pleasured to be one of the well-wishers of Miss Janice, our birthday celebrant for today. Ayan. Wishing you a blessed birthday, a good health, and wish you a long way to go and more birthdays to count, more years to count. Ayan, just count your age but never feel your age. Ayan, that's the secret of looking young. Bye, happy birthday.
Hello Ate Janice, happy birthday. More birthday to come at stay healthy. Wish ko lang sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng kaarawan mo. At sana magka-baby na kayo ni Kuya muli. Happy birthday!
Birthday po, Ma'am Janice. More birthdays to come. Thank you po sa pag-send ng mga prize namin. We love you po.
Hello, Ate Janice. Happy birthday. I truly wish you are blessed with all the happiness, health, joy, and prosperity in life. Many happy returns of the day. May all your wishes come true. Again, Ate, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Janice. Ang tanging hiling ko po sa iyong kaarawan ay sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng maraming taon sa buhay mo at maging masaya ka. Happy birthday po. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday at Nancy. Ingat.
Happy birthday po. God bless. More career to come at sana po wala akong maisip, Char. God bless po. Ingat. Stay pretty. Sana all pretty.
Hello, Ate Janice. Happy birthday. More blessings and birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Wish ko sana hindi ka magbago sa pagiging mabait sa amin bilang moderator. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my beautiful sister, Ate Janice. Sana hindi ka magbago. Thank you dahil nakilala kita. And enjoy your day and more birthday to come. I love you.
Hi, Ma'am Janice. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, masaya po ako nakilala kayo ni Seri dito sa Team Laburi. Ayun, I wish you happy birthday. Yan, I wish you more birthdays to come. Yan, napulol na naman si ako. Stay healthy and stay beautiful, syempre. Ayan, God bless you. God bless you with your family and more power to you. Ayun, more success in your life. Kasama na rin ang family mo. And enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Yan, happy birthday, Ma'am Janice. More birthdays to come. Good health. At sana mas lalo ka pa pong i-bless ni Lord. Ayan. Wish ko lang na sana yung mga wish mo sa buhay ay matupad. Ayan. Thank you sa pag-guide sa Lavori team. Ayan. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi, Ate Janice. Happy birthday po sa'yo. This is your special day. Sana po ay maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at mag-enjoy po. Siyempre, ang wish namin sa iyo is a good health, more birthday to come, more blessing. Thank you po dahil nakilala ko kayo ng buong Team Lavori team, ni Sir Ben, si Sir Archie, ni Kuya Ray, at ikaw po, Ate Janice. Kaya enjoy lang po, and happy birthday. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hello po, Ate Janice. Happy birthday po, and happy Mother's Day na rin. Salamat po sa kasipagan nyo ni Kuya Ray. And sana po, i-bless pa po kayo ni Lord. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Janice.
Happiest birthday, Ate Janice. Siyempre, we wish you good health, more birthdays to come, more cake to slice and candles to blow. Enjoy your day. God bless you ni Kuya Ray. Thank you.
Hi sis, Janice. A happy birthday, and God bless you and your family. Enjoy your birthday, sis. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Janice. Happy birthday. Sana mas marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Maraming blessing. And thank you sa lahat ng paggabay at pagsuporta sa aming team. God bless. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Ate Janice. Happy and blessed birthday. Wishing you good health, long and satisfied life, and of course, prosperity in everything. I pray na whatever the desires of your heart, God grant it in His perfect time and in His perfect will. Alam ko may mga secret prayers ka, and tiwala lang kay Lord, ang kakatagpuin niya, ano mo yung mga panalangin. Thank you din pala kasi ikaw kayong dalawa ni Kuya Ray yung naging way para mapasama ko sa Lavori. Yun lang po, ate. Once again, happy and blessed birthday. And of course pala, belated happy anniversary sa inyo ni Kuya Ray. God bless your marriage, more fruitful and wonderful years together. God bless and keep safe. Enjoy your day. Mama!
For you, Sis Janry, gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Naway maging masaya ka sa inyong birthday, sa iyong kaarawan. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay bigyan ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan, good health, and your family and your kids, and keep on vlogging. Naway mag-grow pa ang iyong YouTube channel. So, alam kong may mabuti kang puso at kalooban. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging kindness mo. Maraming salamat sa pag-support mo palagi sa akin. 1 year na tayong magkaibigan dito sa YouTube. So, maraming salamat sa iyo. I wish you all the best for you. Maging masaya at more blessing to come. And belated happy anniversary you sa inyong dalawa ni Sir Ray. more love, long life, and long more siblings. So, again, happy birthday to you. Pasensya ka na sa munting regalo ko sa iyo at yun lang ang nakayanan ko sa ngayon. Naway maging masaya ka at maging matagumpay sa minimiti mo, sa pangarap mo. Naway matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo at nag-grow pa ang inyong channel. Maraming salamat, Jenry. Happy birthday. God bless and more blessing to you. Bye-bye.
Boom boom.